Hello there guys, let me just double check. I am recording, woohoo! This is episode 1 of my my coding series. I'm not very good of a coder myself, but I can go over the basics with you guys if you want me to. Do you want me to? Yeah, I know it. Alright, so, first of all, there's one thing you need to know. Okay, now I didn't know this when I started, so I'm just pointing it out there for you guys. Not calling you noobs, not calling you anything. I'm just saying, because if you don't know, then you need to know. Okay, so the client side, alright, there's like two different sides. Alright, client, source. Client is what you run. So let's have an example. Say the client is your computer. Okay, so over this side is your computer. And the source is like the internet, okay? So while you're on your computer, you run the internet. And you connect to things using the internet. And that's basically what it is. So here's like the server. And here's the game. I don't know how else to put it. Like Minecraft, okay? I got Minecraft over here. Here's Minecraft, the actual game files. And then here's the server, which you've got to connect to play. Okay, that's the best way of putting it that I can. Alright, so there's one thing for sure that I would recommend, and that is creating shortcuts quickly, okay? So you'll probably have these in a folder, but what you're going to want to do is create a desktop shortcut to the run servers and the compilers. It makes it that much quicker, and it's just so much more nicer to use. Okay, so what the compiler does is the compiler is a file that you run, and it basically saves it all and updates the game itself with the things that you've coded into it. If you don't compile it, then it will stay as normal, okay? No changes will be made. Okay, so we're just going to do that, and then we're going to come over to the source side, and we're going to get the compiler, and we're going to get the run. So let's just create shortcuts. These two are going to be the same, so server compiler, server run. Let's just drag these two onto our desktop, and then we're going to rename these to client run and client compiler. Now the difference between the two compilers is that all the changes you make in here need to be compiled with the server compiler. If you use the client compiler for these changes, it just won't take note of them because it's only gonna compile these files. So that's the difference. If you use the client compiler, it will only compile these files, and if you use the server compiler, it will only compile these files. And I don't think you can combine both of them without messing up all the files being together. But yeah, now that the first thing's over, we can just put them together like that. I'm actually going to drop it down here, because when you're running stuff over here, you might want to compile leaving this open. Do you mind going away? There we go. Okay, so we're going to start off with some client things. Now, I would recommend Photoshop. You can use Paint, it's not as good, but we're going to start off with some sprites. Okay, now just for the video purposes, in the blank, they're all messed up. Just, yeah, look at that. That's just not right. So what I'm going to do is delete this. It's a shortcut. There's the real thing. But this is sort of like the pictures within the game. Now we're going to need to edit these to edit what the game looks like, with that being your inventory and things like that. And these really don't look that good. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open my Agroff client. In fact, no, the sprites are in the cache. Where I'm so lost. Okay, well, I'm gonna go quickly get the sprites. You can edit these to how you want them to look. You can make the inventory look how you want the inventory icon to look. You can make the quests icon look how you want the quests icon to look. I'm just gonna go quickly customize this, and I'll be back when these are all done. See you in a minute. Okay guys, I actually just grabbed those from another client. It made everything a little bit easier. So now that we've done that, we've actually changed some files in the game. So for your first bit of work, you know, you're gonna want to see how it looks, right? So we're gonna go over to client compiler, because sprites are actually something to do with the client. So as you can see, it says compiling. Now if you don't get this instantly, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to change some of the scripting, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so if you do get errors, something to do with Java, what you're going to want to do is right click and click edit. It should bring up Notepad. If it doesn't, you're going to want to find a way to open this with Notepad. So here we are. Okay, here you can see, here's my compiler. So let's just take a look. Okay, we've got program files, Java, go to. Now this has it set pretty nicely, so you shouldn't actually get an error. Let's just take a look at some of the server stuff, see if this has some errors. No, it doesn't. Interesting. This one. Okay, well if it says Java 1.6 or something old like that, what you're going to do is you're going to go start and you're going to go run. And what you're going to do is you're going to want to type, you want to go to your C drive, sorry I keep saying do you want to go, right, C drive colon backslash, you're going to type in program files backslash Java backslash, and here you can see all your ones. So you're just going to want to change it to one of the things that you have. So say it says Java JDK 1.6.0 or something like that. You're going to want to switch it to, for me, my latest one would be JDK 1.8.0_25. So I would change it to that. Okay, hopefully that cleared some things up with you guys getting errors. Here we go. What? Close. Good lad. Can we minimize this? Alright, clearly. Whoa, clearly not. Open. Alright, well, we're just gonna leave that. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you wanna go server run. Your server is now up. Good luck. Wild is now online. Whew! Client run. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Ooh, look at that! Client is loading, guys. It's your first time. We already got it running. Whew. Look at this. This will be cleaned up in future episodes, guys. Don't worry about that. We'll get all this edited. We'll get the files. Your website's customed here. We'll get your server name changed. We'll get you back. Yeah, we'll clear everything up. Don't you worry. Okay, so we need profile. Now this profile can be anything. I'm just going to call it God, and I'm not going to give it a password for the benefit of the doubt. Yeah, I'm just going to do that, and this is going to be my profile. Your server name here. Your name here is the owner. Whatever. Alright, this is very different to what mine was like. Oh, this is very old. This is weird. I never edited this. I edited a different version, man. Whew. Very bright. Let me get some run going on. Alright, lads. Slash. So we're gonna, you won't have any commands yet. So we're gonna need to change your status, and we're gonna change it to owner, because you are the owner. You are the god. You are, you know, you're the guy, alright? You're the man. You're the man. So you're gonna open up your, not your client, what am I doing? You're gonna open up your source. You're gonna go data, no, you're gonna go characters. Sorry, I told you this is different. I didn't edit the same as this. But character rights, okay, 0 is player, 1 is moderator, 2 is admin, 3 is owner. Perfect. So, you can see here, energy, blah blah blah. Wow, this really is raw. Oh, damn. Okay, so yeah. If you want to spawn yourself in some stuff, what you do is you just change the ID. Wait, no. Where's your inventory? What's this? Oh, items. Just don't worry about that yet. You might want to do this. Give yourself 200 mil experience. Let me just make sure that's right. That's 2 bill experience. I only want 200 mil. So yeah, we're gonna make ourselves maxed. I will leave this in the comments, so, not in the comments, in the description, so you can just go down, copy, and then get rid of the skills bit, and then paste it back in with max stats, because this does take a little while, and you don't want to waste time doing this to you. And I'm making you watch in it, which is even worse. Alright, I'll go quick, don't worry. I'll edit that out, 1 sec. Oh. Damn! Nearly no mistakes that time. So yes, and you can hop back on onto your client, log in. And are you excited? Well, you should be. Owner and coder God has logged in. Look at chat, look at that. It's horrible. I need to edit that. Huh, this is actually your server name here, your name here. Wow, 100. Okay then. If you, let me just try something. No, it's pickup. Okay, so pickup is basically give yourself stuff. 995 is money. 2147 mil is inf cash. But this is old, I forgot. 2147 mil. And you can only get 999 mil. Wow, this really is old, lads. Huh. Well, right, what was I gonna do? I think that's what I was gonna. Wow, this episode has cleared itself up pretty quickly. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this helped you out, and I hope to see you in my next episode. Peace out, guys. Enjoy your day. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you need to see more to get your server up and running soon. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy yourself. Peace out. Have a nice day.